it. Yeah. Ooh. There we go, fish on. Probably a red, or I don't know. Dark, yeah, it's a nice little red. There we go. Find that. Oh, it's in front of me. Oh, come on, man. I need a longer net for sure. All right, cool. Got a little red, awesome. Ooh, he put up a good fight. Let me put out my pole here so I don't float away into the mangroves. Okay. Woo! Oh, nice little catch. Dude, you put up a good little fight, bro. Alright, calm down now. Let me grab you there and then we'll get that out of here. There we go. Alright, guys. Nice little red. There you go. Hey, man. You put up a good little fight. Oop, there he is. Feisty one. For sure. Oh, man. This sucks. I'm going to start with a little top water today. I already have this set up. A little fish goo on there. See if we can't get a top water bite this morning. It'd be really cool. Alright, you ready to move on or what? Say we fish this and then we'll loop around and hit these islands. Like this. Loop clockwise, hit these islands, and then yeah. And then all right, fish on. Not sure what it is yet. Yeah, I got something decent here. Got something decent. Might be a catfish for all I know. I had to like kind of let it drop on the bottom because it's deeper here. I kind of ran it on the bottom and let it kind of, you know. I don't know, man. Woo!
Black and big.
Probably a red. That's a big red.
Oh my goodness.
Oh man. Yeah, I'm gonna put that new net to use, see if it's big enough.
That thing is
Yeah?
oh, he's back.
Oh my god.
Really big.
He's a big boy. He's a
Look at
fat slob, dude.
Woohoo.
Jeez.
I'm gonna take you a bit.
Think is this gonna be my new personal best here?
It probably is.
He's gonna be tough to bring in.
Yeah.
Whew.
That's because it's half as big as the boat.
Get your camera out because I'm gonna need a picture of this. Oh God. Woo! So I got this on a Battle 3 4000 reel on, I believe it's 15-pound braid and 15-pound leader. I'm getting them. Every time he comes to the boat, boy, he just pulls away. Oh. Oh, come on. Where is he? He's got so much pulling power, he can kind of. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah, he's massive, dude. Whoa.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness. Whoa, he's a golden. He's just like golden colored, baby. It's amazing.
I just didn't want to get too close.
Oh, man.
Oh my gosh, that thing is
He's massive. Wow. Got it in the roof of his mouth. Oh, shit. Babe, I need your pliers real quick. The long ones. Alright, guys. You guys can see he's got it in his mouth. Pretty deep. It's on the roof of his mouth, though, so we're in a good spot here. Just need to hurry up and get him out of there.
I don't think the board's big enough.
I don't think it is either. Alright, guys. Massive. Check this bad boy out.
Hang on, it's not coming out.
Dude. Alright, I'm gonna measure him real quick. He is 30 inches.
Wow.
30 inches on the dot.
Okay, get him back. I got it.
Alright, guys.
Big boy.
Oh man, that is a new personal best right there, for sure. Oh, hope he recovers quickly.
You'll be taking him home if you don't.
Damn it, I really need to release this camera. Oh, there he goes. How long did that? That was like probably a good 5-minute fight.
Oh yeah.
Oh man. So yep, 30 inches, right on the dot. New personal best. Woo! Well, it's Redfish Point.
Yeah.
So right here we have about a 6 foot, 5 foot channel right here. The boat channel is actually on the other side. And hooked them right over here with a paddle tail on the bottom. Whoa. Ah! Oh, damn it! He busted the leader off.
Yeah, because you probably got caught on something.
Lost 2 decent sized fish today, probably. What do we got? Oh, he's traveling fast. Yeah, a little mangrove. What's up, little dude? Stop moving. There we go. Alright. It's like maybe the second fish I've ever caught on one of these terrorize. This is a good place to use it in about 3-4 feet of water, so it's got enough space to travel up and down because they pretty much just fall straight down. Alright. Hey everybody, I'm back. So it's 11:15 in the morning. Feels later than that, but yeah, we've been out here since 7. I managed to catch that one monster redfish. I'm super stoked because that's my new personal best, certified with an actual catch board this time. Tina, unfortunately, she had a couple of probably big snooks or something, and she lost them right at the boat. So it kind of sucks, but you know, we'll be back at it again. Anyways, it's getting hot out here, and we're hungry, so we're gonna head in. And thanks for sticking around. We'll see y'all next time. Okay, y'all have fun. Take care. Darn it. Might just have to wait these guys out a little bit. I know there's freaking big redfish here. Caught one yesterday. I just don't think I have enough battery to go out all the way to the islands. So we can't get a hit over there, huh? Not sure what's happening, but oh, there we go. There we go. That's what I was looking for, guys. We are on. This is my birthday fish. If I can keep it on. By the way, today is my birthday. Turning 47. Whew, taking me around in circles. Let's go. Let's just follow him. I keep him in front of the boat. Gotta keep him in front of the yak. Not gonna let him get behind me. If possible. Nice. Oh yeah, he's got some muscle. Oh, oh. There we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stand up here. Be careful, there's a oyster bed right there in that corner. Come on, let's bring you over. What do we got here? Oh my goodness, we got a jack. That's what was running. That's what was chasing those fish. It was a jack. Oh, crazy. Well, that's cool. Nice to get something different. Oh yeah, these guys are strong. You take me in circles. Oh. Okay. Oh man. Wow. These guys. It's amazing how much pulling power these guys have. All right, buddy, come on. Let's get you in. I'm not trying to wear you all the way out. Whew. My arm's getting tired. Oh. Oh, shit. Okay, here goes the mess. Oh, there it is. All right, all right. Oh, he's trying to get up under there. No. Let's keep you out of there. Man. This guy, seriously. Oh shit. My net. Told you guys. These big catches, and they're always a mess. Alright. Dude, this guy is strong. He does not want to come in. I'm trying not to break my line either. Alright. Oof. Holy crap. Don't lose him, don't lose him, don't lose him. Oh, come on. Am I going to lose him under here? Don't. Come on, get out of there. Oh, goodness. Holy crap, dude. This guy's strong. Get out of there. No, don't. Get out of there. Probably going to lose him here, guys. He's going to shake off here in a minute. Oh, he is so deep under there. Yeah, there he goes. Oh shit, that was fun though. Well, it's almost 9 o'clock, and the only thing I hooked up on was that Jack Crevalle. That was about over an hour ago. So I think I'm gonna head in. All right, guys. See y'all. Bye. Oh. Woohoo. There you go, nice little red. Nice little red. It's all good. All right, cool. Hi, little buddy. Good looking little fish. All right, come on over. I'll get you. Oh, I'm sorry, bud. Oh, yeah, I was right in your eyeball. I got him like on the bottom of his eye. Oh, that's not cool. I'm sorry, bud. I apologize for that. We can send you on your way, okay? Oh, come on, man. Guy, unfortunately, got him right there, kind of in the eye. He's okay. He didn't lose his sight. Probably gonna hurt for a little bit though. All right, dude. Later. Huh? It's coming for us.